What's up, Brad Squad? It's your boy Jonathan Elias here with another game of Squaddy versus Crew. And this time we got some fresh new faces, some beautiful fresh new faces. We have show fan Thais de Almeida.
Hi.
Thais de Almeida.
Hi.
I like that name. How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm amazing. I'm amazing. And also, let me introduce our other team member. We have show team member Vivian Zohrabian. Did I say it right? Zohrabian.
Yes, you said it right.
Zohrabian. Love it. This is the match between new players, Thais and Vivian, also called T versus V.
Versus.
Oh yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared. Today we're going to be testing our knowledge on immigration terms and trivia in a game we're calling Immigration Translation. Do you have your paper and pen?
Yes.
Awesome. So I will count to 3, and then you'll show it to the team, all right, or the Brad Squad. And Brad Squad as well, speaking of you guys, I want you to play along, all right? Make sure that you guys are rooting for your team member as well, because look, the points, we're very close. We're very close. We want to make sure that your team wins, all right? So now, ladies, let's get it in, all right? All right, first question. What immigration term has the Biden administration recently directed USCIS to erase from immigration terminology? Is it A, migrant, B, refugee, C, alien, or D, asylee? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding! Congratulations. First, okay. Y'all are doing good so far. So now, weeks after being sworn as the 46th president of the United States, President Joe Biden and his administration have reversed many of former President Trump's anti-immigrant policies and has also directed immigration officials to overhaul their language in all official documents and change the word alien or illegal alien to non-citizen or undocumented non-citizen, which is what it should have been, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we like that. We like that. All right, number 2. What non-immigrant visa is filed when an immigrant comes to the USA temporarily for business? Is it A, a B1 visa, B, a B2 visa, C, an F1 visa, or D, an F2 visa? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
No?
What is it?
Ding,
Your
ding,
face
ding.
looks like...
Thais got it. Thais got it.
Man.
It is A, a
Because
B1.
B2 is the tourist visa.
Ooh, you better school us, Thais. You better school us. All right, so when an immigrant needs to come to the U.S. temporarily for business and work, they have to file a non-immigrant B1 visa. The B1 is not to be confused with the B2 visa, like Thais just said, which is used for tourism and pleasure. However, sometimes non-citizens file for a single-purpose B1, B2 visa so that they can travel for work and pleasure at the same time. All right, number 3. What form is used to apply for adjustment of status, a green card? Is it A, a I-130, B, I-485, C, I-797, or D, I-94? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 Thais for another. Oh my God. All right, so now if you are in the United States and are eligible for a green card, you'll be able to file the form I-485 and apply for an adjustment of status. Woo! Okay.
All right,
Let's
I'm
do
coming
it.
for you, Thais.
Yes, Viv.
You let me win.
All right, number 4.
Let's
When
see.
you file for an M1 visa, you're filing as a student who plans to take part in what type of program? Is it A, school, B, work, C, vocational school, or D, the military? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. It is C, vocational school. All right, now for those who don't know what a vocational school is, it's just like a trade school. So it's for people who want to specialize in professions such as electrician, plumber, or mechanic. So an M1 visa is issued to a student who is going to attend a non-academic or vocational school. Immigrants with a M1 visa are only eligible for technical and vocational programs and are not permitted to work during the course of their studies. All right, number 5. What term is used to describe the process of becoming a United States citizen? Is it A, naturalization, B, acquisition, C, deeming, or D, sponsorship? We ready? 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 you both got it right. It is naturalization. Good job. Okay, so according to USCIS.gov, naturalization is the process by which U.S. citizenship is granted to a lawful permanent resident after meeting the requirements established by the Congress in the Immigration and Nationality Act, which was enacted in 1952. So good job. How'd y'all know that?
Because it's something that I want in the future. So it's good to know.
Yes. Ooh,
Yeah.
this is why I love this show. All right, number 6. What form is also known as the I-864? Is it A, Supplement A, B, Petition for Non-Immigrant Worker, C, Application for Asylum, or D, Affidavit of Support? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, congratulations, Thais, you got it right. It is
Really?
D. Wow, affidavit of support. So an affidavit of support, also known as the Form I-864, is a document an individual signs to accept financial responsibility for an immigrant who is coming to live in the U.S. So the immigrant will be sponsored by the person who signs their affidavit of support, and the sponsorship will end when the immigrant eventually becomes a U.S. citizen. So big ups to you, Thais. You're killing it. Viv, you got the beautiful hair like right now. This is what you're giving us.
Thanks, Jonathan. Thanks. We better cut that part out.
Okay, let's get into number 7. How long can one file for asylum after entering the U.S.? Is it A, 6 months, B, 1 year, C, 2 years, or D, 5 years? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. You both are wrong. It is
No!
D, 1 year. So every year, people come to the United States seeking asylum because they have suffered persecution or fear that they will suffer persecution due to race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. Now, immigrants have up to 1 year after arriving to the U.S. to file the I-589, which is an application for asylum and for withholding of removal. Number 8. The United States Immigration and Naturalization Service, the INS, was an agency of the U.S. Department of Labor from 1933 to 1940, and the U.S. Department of Justice from 1940 to 2003. Now, what ultimately replaced the INS? Is it A, Department of Homeland Security, DHS, B, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, C, Department of State, DOS, or D, American Immigration Lawyers Association, which is AILA? We ready? 1, 2, 3.
USCIS?
Ding, 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 you both got it. Yes, it is USCIS. Wow, okay. So in March 2003, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, which is USCIS, formed to become an agency, a part of the United States Department of Homeland Security. So USCIS performs many of the duties of the former INS, such as processing and adjudicating various immigration matters, including applications for work visas, asylum, and citizenship. So good job, y'all. All right, so we got Thais doing a number right now. Thais is in the lead, 6, Viv, 3.
Yes.
So that is Brad Squad 6, Brad Crew 3. This is the last question. I'm making it worth 2 points, all right?
Okay.
All right, number 9. What does NTA mean? Is it A, notice to appeal, B, notice to appear, C, notice to acquit, or D, notice to acquire? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Thais. NTA, also known as Form I-862, is a document that initiates removal proceedings against the respondent. Okay, the Department of Homeland Security starts removal proceedings under Section 240 of the Immigration and Nationality Act against an individual. Now, NTA serves many functions during a case, like explaining why the government thinks the respondent could be deportable and gives notice to the respondent. All right. Woo!
I'm very happy for you, Thais.
Thank you.
This was
I'm so happy.
I love this. And now, Brad Squad, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna make sure I check in the comments to see that you guys were answering as well. All right, back to the studio.